Rent out, explained. Hello, wonderful language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, rent out. If you've ever wondered about the meaning and usage of this phrase, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Rent out is a phrasal verb which means to allow someone to use something, especially a property or a piece of equipment, in exchange for money. Essentially, when you rent out something you own, you become the landlord or the lender, and the person paying you to use it is the tenant or the borrower. Example, she decided to rent out her apartment while she traveled abroad. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but knowing how to use it in a sentence is another. Let's look at some common scenarios. 1. Properties. The most common usage of rent out is in the context of properties, like apartments, houses, or commercial spaces. 2. They bought a second home and decided to rent out their old one. 3. Vehicles. This could refer to cars, boats, or any kind of vehicle. 4. He doesn't use his van anymore, so he's thinking of renting it out. 5. Equipment. This can range from cameras to construction equipment. 6. The studio rents out cameras and other filmmaking equipment to budding directors. 7. Rooms or spaces. This could be for events or temporary usage. 8. The community center rents out rooms for parties and meetings. Understanding synonyms can give you more tools to express the same idea. Here are some synonyms for rent out: lease out, let out, hire out. Example, instead of saying, he decided to rent out his garage, you could say, he decided to let out his garage. And there you have it. Now you know the ins and outs of the phrase, rent out. Remember, language is all about practice. So, try to use this phrase in your daily conversations or writings. We hope this video has shed light on this topic for you. Keep learning, and see you in the next one.